Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. iOS 15.0.2 is out. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 15.0.2 battery draining issue on iPhone and iPad. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start, please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, launch settings. Disable Wi-Fi, disable Bluetooth, and if you're using mobile or cellular data, disable mobile or cellular data if not in use. Here, one thing more that we have to keep in mind, avoid using 5G cause if you are not in 5G coverage area, it will kill your battery. Number 2, launch settings. Scroll, find and tap on battery and enable low power mode. Number 3, launch settings. Scroll, find and tap on privacy and tap location services and turn off location services. Now we go for solution number 4, launch settings. Then tap on Wi-Fi and tap eye symbol in front of your connected Wi-Fi. Scroll and enable low data mode. Go for solution number 5, launch settings. Then tap wallpapers and choose doll wallpaper. Do not use moving object, and also use the dark mode for iPhone or iPad. Solution number 6, launch settings. Then tap notification and disable unnecessary notification that you get a lot of notification. Disable notification for that app. These settings will help to save your battery life. If your battery health goes down, then replace the battery for the better performance. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.